Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this Fiat 500S. Bodywork's in overall good condition. A cracking wee car, only £20 road tax for the year as well, which is good. So we'll start down here. If there's anything to flag up, I'll do that during the video. Small little scuff there. Car's just been washed, so that's just a wee line of water. Driver's side's looking good. There is underneath a scuff here. There we go. Quite hard to see actually from standing here, but it is there. It's a driver rear alloy. Looking good. Round the back, no concerns. You get the parking sensors. 1, 2, 3. In your boot here, you've got your small parcel shelf and your spare tyre with the full kit there as well. Jumping round this side. Rear alloy's looking good. There's a little knock here on the door. Just for comparison, I'll put my pinky next to it just so you can see it. Around here, there's a scuff on this alloy, but again, generally overall quite good. A little mark here, and on the front near the bonnet, there is quite a lot of stone chips, which again, from a distance you don't really see, but I'd rather just make sure you're aware of that before you come to visit. Let's step inside. So inside we've got nice detailed seats, and at the back another space for two there. In the front we've got your touchscreen device here, a few different settings, your aircon, windows, 5-speed gearbox. Down here we've got your cup holders, AUX port and USB, along with a 12-volt socket. You've also got some controls up here. Let me get the car started and I'll just go through some of the infotainment system as well. Car comes with 2 keys. As you can see, the mileage is 42,243. I'll just turn that radio down. Alright, get started here. There we go. So, a few different things over here. You've got your obviously your radio, media, phone. You've got the Fiat Connect, which is quite handy to have. Track computer, audio settings. There is options that you can use to go about in. You've got your city mode, so what that does is if you're not driving in the city, obviously you can turn that one off. That's done by this button here, and then when you turn it on, just by pushing it, I'll show you, it turns the city mode on, which just makes the steering, which is already quite light, even lighter, so it's really agile for driving about in the city. I'll give it a few revs, hopefully you can hear how she sounds. And there we have it, the Fiat 500S. A beautiful red colour. Any questions you've got about the car, please let me know. Cheers.